How to get an image URL from Google Images. If you want to get the URL or direct link of an image, this video will show you how to copy an image address in just a few steps. First, open your web browser and go to Google Images. Search for the image you want. For example, you can search for cats. Now, click on the image you want to get the URL for. Once the image preview opens, right-click on the image and select Copy Image Address. The image URL is now copied to your clipboard. To check the URL, open Notepad or any text editor. Right-click and select Paste. You'll see the complete image URL. You can also test the link by copying it, opening a new browser tab, pasting the URL into the address bar, and pressing Enter. If the link is still valid and directly accessible, the image should load in your browser. That's how you can get an image URL and copy an image address from Google Images. If you find this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.